Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix it when the Alt plus F4 keyboard shortcut is not working on your Windows 11 computer. And now, let's get started. One common reason for the Alt plus F4 shortcut failing is interference from third-party software. To address this, we can perform a clean boot. This process helps isolate issues by starting Windows with a minimal set of drivers and startup programs. To begin, search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open it. Navigate to the Services tab. Here, check the box that says Hide All Microsoft Services. After doing so, if any services are still checked, click on Disable All. Then click Apply, followed by OK, and restart your computer. Another potential solution is to update your keyboard drivers. To do this, search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open it. Once the Device Manager window is open, expand the list under Keyboards. Right-click on your main keyboard driver and select the option to Update Driver. Then, choose to search automatically for drivers. Next, we should check the Sticky Keys setting. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Accessibility tab. Scroll down until you find the Keyboard section. Ensure that sticky keys, filter keys, and toggle keys are all turned off. Finally, let's consider the function lock. Many computers have a dedicated function lock key, often located near the spacebar, possibly between the Control and Windows keys. On some older systems, it might be explicitly labeled as function lock. If this key is active, it can lock your function keys, including F4. Make sure the function lock is not engaged. If it is, simply press it once more to disable it, which may resolve the problem. Hope this was helpful? Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.